She walks through fire, yet her spirit never fades. Each tear she's cried has built the woman she became.
Yes, beautiful babes, I'm glad you're here today. Y'all, we're going to be talking about this cream, this powerful cream that I use to get rid of my skin tags fast. I was suffering from them big time, especially when I would wear a collared shirt or any kind of a sweater. Oh my God, these little things would just pull and it would be so irritating and so painful. So I had to create something that would take care of them. It's been a while since I've had to deal with any larger skin tags. I do occasionally get some fine ones here. And what I have is in this little jar right here. Now it has been sitting for 24 hours. That's right, because now all of the ingredients are fused together. Let me tell you, if you're dealing with skin tags, this one should work for you. Let me share with you exactly how I created this particular treatment. Now this cream is to get rid of skin tags, and it's fast acting as long as you're consistent. What I have in this is Shea Butter to start with. Shea Butter will ensure that the skin remains hydrated. It contains healthy fats that nourish the skin and heal and prevent scars. I took 1 teaspoon of the Shea Butter. I also took garlic, which is antibacterial and antifungal in nature. I took 1 teaspoon of garlic. Now I picked this garlic up at the grocery store, but you can also take fresh garlic and grind it up as well. Then the third item is tea tree oil, which dries up the skin tags and helps in speeding the shedding process. It is also antimicrobial in nature. This means that it will protect the skin from infections once the skin tag has come off. There's about 4 to 5 drops of the tea tree oil in this cream. The other item is oregano oil. Oregano essential oil will make the skin tag detach itself in due course of time. That can be done even just using oregano oil by itself. Consistently, it can actually do the job. But I did put in 3 drops of the oregano oil in this cream. And then finally, I took vitamin E. Vitamin E will hydrate your skin and speed up the healing process once the tag has fallen off. It also eases the process of decay and death of the skin tag and keeps your skin nourished. And I added 1 teaspoon of the vitamin E to the cream. And now it's time to mix it all up, blend it in thoroughly. Now this mixture will not be used readily. You will go ahead and let it sit 24 hours before using. I was using a mortar and pestle to kind of crush up the garlic a little bit more and blend it in, but now I've just switched to my little mixing stick, I call it, to finish up the job. And then we're going to go ahead and transfer this into this blue cobalt plastic jar here. It's kind of big. I could have found a smaller one. Well, I don't have a cobalt or amber colored jar. I wanted to make sure it was dark because I did put in the tea tree oil and I don't want any light to be able to penetrate the container. So now I'm just putting it in the jar here, and this is what it'll be stored in. And this can be stored actually up to 3 weeks, as it does contain the vitamin E, which also acts as a preservative for this particular mix. And now that we have completed putting it all in, this is now your cream that you can use to help get rid of skin tags fast and easy. And we'll be using this 2 times a day. morning and evening, or whatever 2 times a day you prefer to use the mixture. It's so amazing, y'all. This works really, really well to get rid of skin tags, and also you can also put this on warts or moles, etc., to help diminish those as well. This is an amazing, amazing cream. And again, you want this to sit 24 hours or at least several hours before you start using it, because you want all of the ingredients to infuse together. Ooh, and what you have is something powerful. Now you do smell the garlic, but not as potent as it would be if all of the other ingredients weren't in here. I'm just taking my Q-tip here that I'll use to show you how to apply this. Now I had mine on my neck, and of course your neck is always going to rub up against your clothes or shirt or blanket or pillow or something. So it's best that when you apply it, you want to go ahead and put on a band-aid over that particular area. That way the cream won't rub off on anything else. I'm just taking a Q-tip. This is what it looks like up close here, if you can see that. And you'll apply the cream twice a day, morning and evening, or as often as you like. And again, cover it with a band-aid. I didn't bring one in here with me, so unfortunately I'm not able to do that just to demonstrate, which I know you know how to put on a band-aid. Not a problem. And you can leave it on overnight as long as you want to. Just cover it with a band-aid, or you can rinse it off in 1 hour if you have somewhere to go, because you don't want to be smelling like the garlic. So that is it, beautiful babes. I hope indeed that you try this out if you're dealing with skin tags. Give it time to work, because it does have to go through the process of actually drying out the skin tag, and depending on how large your skin tag is. So, beautiful babes, if you're in need of a great skin tag remover, this is it. These ingredients here, tea tree especially, oregano especially, and even the garlic, those can work individually by themselves in order to get rid of skin tags. So if you don't have all of the ingredients, at least mix up what you have to get started. And a couple of times a day, morning and evening, or whatever time of the day you choose to apply this, is perfectly fine. Continue the process until your skin tags are gone. Bye-bye. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Thank you so much for tuning in to Beauty by Sweet Angel. Y'all are definitely my beautiful babes. I love you so much, and I appreciate you always coming to hang out with me. If you enjoyed today's video, got something out of it, something you can share with a friend, please make sure you drop a like on it. If you have any comments or questions, please place those in the comment section under this video. Remember that I do have the ingredients listed down in the description box right under this video. Just scroll up and you'll see all of the great information that I have listed there, with additional information on other things that may be helpful to you. Again, I appreciate it, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, that's a good way to keep up with me. Subscribe and also turn on your post notification. That way you'll be in the know each and every time I upload. Thanks again, beautiful babes, for all you do for me, and I will see you and you on the next video. And make sure you don't keep me a secret. Please share me with your world, and I'll see you and you on the next video. Bye.
Woke up this morning, sunlight on my face, coffee brewing slow, kids laughing all over the place. Life can be crazy, time just slips away.